After the pain of Karbala and the cruelty in Kufa, the caravan of the Prophet's family was forced toward Damascus. From Hadhar, their journey continued. Tired feet, broken hearts, but souls burning with courage. They passed through Karakia, where people stared at them. In Raqqa, they were mocked. In New Saban, Lady Zainab spoke boldly, awakening hearts even in the darkest towns. Children were thirsty. Sayyida Zainab asked for water. But in each place, they were treated as prisoners, not as the family of the beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. Finally, after over 1,000 kilometers, the caravan reached the gates of Damascus. But instead of honor, they saw celebrations, drums, people cheering Yazid. Little did they know, the same women and children they mocked would shake thrones with the power of truth. This was not just a journey of grief. It was a journey of resistance, patience, and divine purpose.